Hello, 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 everyone. It's me, it's your girl, Sia Knight, here to give you information about becoming and marketing yourself as a notary. I specialize in general notary work, and I am here to spill all the tea, to give all the information about how to make that process much more profitable. So, thanks for joining me here on the channel. If you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe. I have so much good information about how to become a notary and how to earn lots of money doing it. So today we're going to talk about, I'm going to give new notary tips and tricks. And today I'm going to talk about business cards. Yes, business cards. I know, such an exciting topic. However, I've learned a couple of things and I said, let me share this with the audience because a lot of people are spending a lot of money unnecessarily on business cards. And I want to give some tips, some tricks, some hints. So first, let me share with you what my business card looks like. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. Yep, there it is. So it's a Sia Knight Nova Pro Mobile Notary, which is the name of my company. So one thing that I wanted to do, and some mistakes I've made in the past, is when I give somebody my card, oh, my hair's sticking straight up. When I give someone my card, I want them to get a quick idea of what I do. So I designed this card myself. So I've got the pen. Okay, so that's the notary part, and then you have me or somebody sitting in a car, the mobile notary part. I love the colors pink, in case you can tell. Pink and black and gray or silver. Those are kind of the colors for my business, and actually every business that I've had. So I wanted people to know it was a mobile notary business. They could kind of get a look at the card and get an idea of what I did. And on the back, I had some more specific, let's see if we can see it, information. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Okay. So I talk about what I've been experienced in. I have wills, real estate closings, powers of attorney, oaths, acknowledgments, etc. And I have my phone number, my Google number, by the way, how people can reach me. So what I want to say is these cards are wonderful because I designed them myself using Canva. So if you have not used that tool before, I'll do a little video on Canva. Let me note to self. Let me go ahead and do that. Canva. And also, I printed them myself. Now, I'm not a person who likes to have things that are tacky or not good or not good looking. So I was a little hesitant, but I went to my local office supply store and I said, all right, what can I do? And here's what I came up with. These are the Avery linen textured business cards. So it was the material and the thickness and the color that I liked. And that's the good thing about printing your own cards. You can do a variety of different things. Now, why print your own cards as opposed to going to somewhere like For Imprint, which, you know, it's great. I've done that. I've gotten cards from For Imprint or Vistaprint. Is it For Imprint? Yeah. And Vistaprint and those types of companies, which is good because you can get cards, a lot of cards relatively inexpensively. However, I would suggest printing your own cards because here on the front, I've got my little thing, but here on the back, I want to add the fact that I am now a remote online notary, Ron. If I had ordered these 200 cards, and they come in groups, this is a pack of 200, which I checked on Amazon, and now 200 cards, you can get them for like $15. So not bad. If I wanted to make some adjustments or modifications and I'd ordered the cards out, I would have to wait and scrap a whole bunch of cards and then get a new pack of cards and then hope that I didn't want to tweak or change anything on the new card. So that's what I like about these cards from Avery. In fact, I am going to put an Amazon link down below for these exact cards. And again, I wanted to make sure that the cards I use, they don't look as we used to say in the 90s, janky. And they don't. These look nice. If you think about the last time you got a business card from someone, okay, the question is, what did you do with the card? And the second thing is, did you kind of say, well, gosh, I think they may have printed this card themselves. No, you probably didn't, especially if it comes out in such good quality. So that is the tip that I wanted to give you guys today. Print your own business cards. That way you can modify and change them whenever necessary. Okay, so that's it for the tip of the day. My name is Sia Knight. If you are interested in more information about becoming a notary, if you have 0 to 12 months of experience, check out the new Notary Academy, bit.ly/new Notary Academy. And that's it. I hope you all have a wonderful day. If you're watching this during the holiday season, happy holidays and happy signing. Bye.